Hello, I'm Travis. I'm with Modern Exterior out here in Waukesha, and just wanted to explain a little bit more about how the process works for getting insurance to cover a roof. There's been a lot of misconceptions. I'm sure you've had people knock on the door saying that they can get you a free roof. Not totally true. So the way that it works is if an insurance company is able to verify that there's storm damage on the roof, that is going to be the factor on whether or not they're going to cover it. Now, they don't really care so much about the age of the roof, just whether or not they can find that damage, which is what people like myself are out here to look for. Now, when it comes to the actual process of getting the roof covered, I'm going to use nice round numbers to make it a little bit easier. So let's just say that the entire roof to totally replace it is going to cost $20,000. What they would do is they would cover everything up to your deductible. So pretty much the normal deductible is about $1,000. So if it's going to cost $20,000, they give you $19,000, and that $1,000 would be out of pocket for your deductible. And so basically the way it works is when they come out and they verify that there's damage and they approve it, then basically what happens is they give you two checks. So first one is going to be for what the roof is worth today. That's the actual cash value check. Now that's usually about half, might be a little bit more, might be a little bit less. But then after the work is complete, they give you that second check, which is to cover the difference for what they did not cover on that first check. So when it's all said and done, you're not getting a free roof per se, but you are getting one for basically your deductible, which is how we're able to get people new roofs paid for by insurance. Once again, I'm Travis with Modern Exterior. Thanks for tuning in.